Thanks for checking out Our Dad's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, homeschoolers. I say homeschoolers because it doesn't matter if you're in the 4th grade or if you're 40 years old. If you're learning how to do this, you're at home and you're in school. So it's January 1 in Franklin, Tennessee, New Year's Day, and it is a beautiful day. The sun has come out, the rain has gone away, and today starts our really good teardown day because we're off work. We've got a good weather day to do it, so we're going to start working on the 53. All right, let's take a good look at these floor pans. Man, these things are roached out pretty bad. All this stuff's going to have to be cut out here on the driver's side. Even these front toe panels up here may have to be cut out as well. We just got to look through here and see where we've got any good metal. Panel here that was sitting under the seat, this panel all the way across is probably good, and the panel across the bottom back here that was under the back seat is good from about that ridge on back. And I believe our tunnel's in pretty good shape over our drive shaft. So that's okay. So we'll cut all of this out. Got to clean out all the stuff that's laying in the floor. Got to get all this old rusty stuff, mess out of there. You don't want this stuff in your shop because it's a huge mess. Once we get all of this out of the way, we can start making some cuts. Now's the time to take a break to like and subscribe. So when you get it totally cleaned out, you got to get your safety glasses on, you got to get your grinder out, and anything that's not good metal's got to be cut out. So you got to start cutting. You know, before you do start cutting, it's a good idea to stick your head under the car and just make sure there's no fuel lines that are tucked up anywhere underneath this floor pan. You don't know what people might have done over the years, and if you cut with a grinding wheel through a fuel line, you may have a fire, and that can surprise you. So just take a look around, make sure there's nothing underneath there that you shouldn't be cutting. Once you've got the front taken care of, you move on to the back.
It's going to take several cutting wheels to get through all this. Remember, never change or tighten a cutting wheel with your grinder plugged in. It can be a big mistake.
Hey, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Alright folks, so it's about 4 o'clock. It's about time to quit. It's January 1st, and we worked all day. We got a whole bunch of junk cut out of the car. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of the floor panels are out. We've got whole car cleaned out pretty well. Looks pretty good. We've got floor panels are cut out, the really the worst part, so we can move it on into the shop now without getting it too big of a mess. All of the body cavities been blown out with the leaf blower. That's just a huge mess, so you kind of avoid all that if you can get all that done before you go inside. But we did make quite a bit of progress today, and it's a good day. worth of work. All the dirty stuff's getting done, so hands are dirty. All right, that's the update.
If you didn't like this video, subscribe to the channel. Surely there's one you'll like.